If you're looking to get the best dried aged meat in the Montreal region, come north of the island to Boucherie Beirut. My man Hassan's gonna hook you up. Hey, what's up? Can I get a 1-inch 3/4 Canada Prime New York, please?
Yeah, sure. I have it dry aged for 90 days.
Perfect. Let's do it.
That's a New York strip, inch and a quarter, dry aged for 90 days.
Look how beautiful that is. Let's go make it. New York Canada Prime. Dry your steak with some paper towels. Add some salt, add some pepper. Flip the steak, add some more salt, add some more pepper. Scrape the 2 other sides of the meat on the board. Add the avocado oil. Render the fat. Sear the steak, lower the heat, flip it, cook the other side of the steak. Add some garlic, add some rosemary, put the butter in the pan, baste the steak in the butter. If you want your steak to be medium rare, make sure it reaches an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the steak sit for about 10 minutes. There you have it, a beautifully cooked New York Canada Prime dry aged steak. I'm ready to indulge myself. I like taking a piece in the middle because for me, the middle's the best. Absolutely fantastic. A big thank you to Hassan from Boucherie Beirut. If you're looking for the best steaks in the Montreal region, check him out. Tell him Andrew from Dish sent you. Till next time, check out these other great videos.